I'm sick, me too. Very, very sick. And Nia's making me sing at 1:46 in the morning.
So you know that she can sing because she's singing really, really well while she's sick. YouTube, comment, subscribe.
Yes, I am.
Shout out to Scarlett.
Shout out to Scarlett.
Scarlett took a mad tumble.
Yes. That was one of the songs I like because that song describes me very much so. Yes, yes.
Yeah, we're going to have a talk with Scarlett. Tasha going to learn Scarlett's song and then she's going to come back and sing it. So,
it's a preview. Ready? Maybe in time you can win me back, but right now me and you are through. Maybe one day you can take my heart, and maybe we can be together.
Peace!
Whatever you like, oh, baby.
Switch your